Hello, hi children, welcome to my channel Science Tonic Experiments. In this video, we learn about vertical shift of a glass slab. By the end of this video, we know about vertical shift of a glass slab, how to find vertical shift of a glass slab, how to find refractive index of the glass slab. What is vertical shift of a glass slab? The distance difference observed between an object placed in air and glass slab is called vertical shift of the glass slab. Observe the object in air. Observe these objects through glass slab. Is there any difference we can find? Now observe carefully. Again, now observe these objects through glass slab. Now observe this object, one in through glass slab and other in air. Now we can observe some difference between them. Really they are in straight line, while we are seeing through glass slab, these are not in straight line. Adjust either the object is in glass slab or the object is in air such that they are appear in a straight line. But really they are not in a straight line. There is some difference between them. That difference is called vertical shift of the glass slab. For doing vertical shift, to reduce errors, we are choosing the small objects like pins for the objects. Now we will do vertical shift experiment. For doing this experiment, the required materials are glass slab, protractor, scale, pencil and pins. Place a white paper on a drawing board. Place a glass slab vertically in the middle of the paper. Draw its boundaries with pencil or a sketch. Remove the glass slab, we will get a figure of rectangle. Draw a perpendicular line on the edge of the corner of the glass slab. Mark a point on 10 centimeters distance. Draw a normal line both sides of the point. Place two pins like this. Observe the pins. The pins are in straight line. Place the glass slab in boundary. Observe the pins. Now observe one pin in through glass slab and other pin in air. Now the pins are not in straight line. Observe through air slowly. Adjust the pin such that they are in same line. Now they appears in a straight line. But really they are not in straight line. remove the pin and mark points. Remove the glass slab. Name the points P and Q. Measure the distance between these 2 points. The distance is 0.6 centimeters. The difference between P and Q points are called vertical shift. The vertical shift is 0.6 centimeters. Again we do this experiment for 6 centimeters. The vertical shift for 10 centimeters distance is 0.6 centimeters and the vertical shift for 6 centimeters distance also 0.6 centimeters. So the vertical shift should not depend on the object placed distance, it is constant. Now we will calculate refractive index of the glass slab. The formula for that one, refractive index of glass slab equal to thickness of the glass slab minus thickness of the slab minus vertical shift. Now we can measure the thickness of the glass slab. Take the scale and measure the thickness of the glass slab. The thickness of the glass slab is 1.8 centimeters. Thickness of the glass slab is 1.8 centimeters and vertical shift is 0.6 centimeters. Apply the formula and substitute the values. Now we can get refractive index is 1.5. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.